My name is Brandon Diego, and today I will be teaching you how to add your own personal Google Drive documents and sheets and slides to your Google site page. So first, what you're going to want to do is you want to go to your new site. I'm going to be doing old and new, but first I'm going to be doing new. And then you're going to want to go to the page you want. You're going to go to the right, from Drive. You're going to click on this, and it will bring your own personal documents up. Anything you would like. These are all my personal documents. I'm just going to put a random one in about the author, fine. And then insert, and it will insert the entire text. And then you can press a preview. And when you're looking down, it allows the person that's looking at your website to scroll through that document however they like. And they can also go to a link that opens it up in a completely new window. It will not let them edit it though. The only reason I can edit it is because it's my personal document. And now, for the old site, you can either do this, where you can insert, you go back to this, what we talked about in the last episode, and you go to here, and you go to Drive, and you can put in your own personal things. I'm going to put in the same document. This pop-up will show up. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to put in the same document about the author. You can include the title if you'd like. You can include a border around the Google document, as well as the pixel size. So, and if you would like the width for 100%, as you can see here, leave this bar empty. Just leave it empty. You're going to save, and it's going to put that document in the text. Okay, and then you can go save, and it should have that document to where you can scroll through it however you would like. And that is how you put your own personal Google Drive documents and slides and sheets, anything you would like, in your own personal Google sites. Thank you. Have an amazing day.